In this video, I'll show you how to view and manage your Android messages directly from your Windows PC. This is a super handy trick to keep your conversations going without picking up your phone all the time. Let's get started. Now on your Windows PC, open your web browser and go to messages.google.com/web. You should see a page with a QR code. Go to your phone. You'll need to make sure you have the Google Messages app installed on your Android phone. If you don't have it yet, head over to the Google Play Store, search for Google Messages, and install it. Open the Google Messages app. Click on Google Account and search Device Pairing. You see QR code scanner. Now press on it and scan on your PC. Once it's scanned, you'll see your messages appear on the web page. And that's it. You can now read, send, and manage your messages directly from your Windows PC. It's really that simple. You can start a new conversation by clicking on the New Conversation button. You can also search through your messages using the search bar at the top. All your existing conversations are listed on the left side, and you can click on any conversation to view and reply to messages. One more thing, make sure to enable notifications so you don't miss any messages. To do this, click on the three dots at the top right corner of the web page and select Settings. Then toggle on Notifications. If you want to disconnect, click on the three dots at the top right corner of the web page and select Unpair and click on Unpair. And there you have it. Now you can easily stay connected with your friends and family directly from your PC. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and press the bell icon for more tech tips and tricks. See you in the next video.